I'm starving, man. I want to a fridge. You want something?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Man, everything was rotten in the fridge.
Really? Haven't you heard about the smart fridge? The smart fridge, shame on you, and have one. It's great. You should have a try.
Let me check my smart fridge. Milk will expire tomorrow. I have to put it on. All other food is fresh now. I can order a new milk. I can check the calories, chicken and chips for dinner. Smart fridge.
It can even do more. I can even check what I have in my fridge here by using my cell phone. It has cooking assistant application as well here. It's really great, man. You should have a try.